might wait for a couple of minutes so that others can join. So yeah, guys, if possible, you can just turn on your videos. Wait a minute, I will also turn on my video. Okay. Yeah. So good morning. So actually, like previous session, we have an introduction about AI. So if anyone can summarize the thing, so it will be nice. So in the meantime, you guys can, anyone can summarize what previous session we have done. So what are the things that you have learned in the previous session? Guys, first of all, can you guys able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Sir, we learned about AI, ML, and deep learning in three separate parts,
Okay.
and we also learned that what is the difference between what is they are all a part of the same AI, a big AI circle,
Okay.
and but there's a little bit difference in all of them,
Hmm.
and how they are separated from each other. We learned about that,
Okay.
and how they are all a similar subpart to data science, which is a collection of all the data related analytics, statistics, and all that we do. And it is a big part that involves and helps us in achieving the machine learning processes and also how artificial intelligence work. It all depends upon how the data science is being applied to it.
Okay. That's great. Okay. And we have seen like a magical output, right? So what we
Yes.
have seen. Yeah.
Sir, you created a program where a female, a girl, a news reporter is presenting some news,
Okay.
and she was also lip syncing with it, and
Hmm.
it was a text to speech kind of thing,
Okay.
which was used.
Is it a text to speech? Like it's a video kind of thing, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But you used text and converted it to speech to, and then the news reporter was just repeating all the things which was written in the text as a speech.
Okay, great. Actually, you were saying the flow. That's great. Okay. Great, Adyan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for summarizing. Hope everyone has get a gist of what we have done in the previous session. So before going for this session, we gonna master AI. Okay, so for the next 1 month or 1 month, we gonna master AI. So before that, you guys need to know what exactly we gonna do. Okay, actually, someone has asked the roadmap. So yeah, the thing is, what we will be learning now means like first we will be going for essential and data processing kind of thing. Like we're gonna learn the basics of Python, how to use it, and then SQL. So then we will be moving on to machine learning, deep learning, and for finally we will be going for some generative AI kind of things. Okay. So please make notes of it. So what we gonna do? So today I will let us see. We try to complete this basics of Python. Okay. So let me know like if everyone one of your friends has joined or anyone still need to join. Is anyone has to join? I think the attendance is very low when compared to the previous session. Okay, I think we can start so that others can join in a minute. Okay. So today we're gonna see basics of Python. Okay. End of this class, you guys can able to handle any kind of data by using the Python function. So let me know how many of you know Python. Just raise your hands or put it in the chat box that you know. Okay. Great, great, great. Okay. Then it will be easier. This session is gonna be very simple session for you guys. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Great. Okay. Four. Okay. Okay, no problem. Python is not known also, no problem. So we're gonna do that today. Okay, five. Okay, okay. So any one of you tell like, yeah, you can drop your hands. So can any one of you say what is the major difference that you guys see when compared to the other programming language and Python?
Python is an interpreted language.
Okay, yeah, someone has a great answer. Easier syntax. Okay, yeah, yeah, it's an interpreter language. Yeah, or is also interpreter language. No? Yeah. Anything else, guys?
It's user friendly also.
Okay. It looks like English syntax. Great. That's the answer I am just looking. It is more like English. So anyone who doesn't have a knowledge of programming, they can also code. That's a major reason. And actually, why Python for this AI means, as a developer, we doesn't need to know about each and every flow, because in order to create the AI model by using C++, it will be like more lines of code. Like consider it will be 1,000 lines of function which will be done, and it will be created as a class. So in Python, what we will be doing, we just import the library and just we will call the class. That's it. So instead of writing all the things, because we are having lots of work to do. Once we have a model, we need to train it, we need to test it, and we need to do what kind of model will be working for this thing. So like that we need to go. So that's the reason we are just choosing the language which is very friendly for us, so that we can build the model, so we can focus on building the AI model. Okay, so that's a major reason. As Python, we have many libraries. It makes use of AI. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So I will share my screen. Let's start our session. Okay. So let me know if my screen is visible or not. Okay. Yeah. And one more thing, guys. Like this entire course is gonna be a coding kind of session. Okay. I want you guys to lively experience what the coding is. So I need every one of your support so that we can have this session very interactive. So it's not like other sessions like creating a PPT and doing the things and learning. So here it will be full of coding. Okay. So I think we can start. So is my screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
great.
sir.
Okay. So the first module we're gonna see is essential data analytics. That is data handling. Okay, essentialities and data handling. So that's the first module we're gonna see. In that first, we're gonna see about the Python language. Okay. So let me wait. So, okay. So first thing first. So first of all, in order to like use any programming language, we need to install, right? So guys, tell me like what are the IDE that you guys are using for working with Python? I think four or five of you has said that you guys have know about Python. Let me know what are the IDEs you guys are using.
PyCharm.
Okay, Jupyter, VS Code, Jupyter. Okay, okay,
And same VS Code and Jupyter.
okay, 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 okay. PyCharm. Okay, it's an heavyweight, but it's like nice. Okay, okay. So yeah, so as Python, we can use it in Python. That's the one thing. Python IDE, it's a base thing. And we are having Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Labs we are having, Spider we are having, and then someone has mentioned they are using, I think VS Code. VS Code also is a good thing so to use. So there are different IDE, but uh, I'm very much promised that Google has Google Collab. How many of you know about it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this package, this IDE is very much friendly for the developer, because here we doesn't need to install any libraries, whereas in other environments or IDE we need to install every libraries, like pandas, numpy. So these are the libraries, so if every time we use we need to install it. But here this IDE is installed pre-installed with all the libraries, so you just go there and you just use it. That's it. So that's the reason it's very developer friendly. So I more commonly, not like commonly, every time I will use Collab. So I request you guys to start using Collab. Okay. Built-in. Okay, wait. Someone Collab have many built-in libraries. Yeah, related to ML, DL, everything. Okay. So yeah, we will start go through this thing. So first of all, in order to use any coding language, we need to have our environment ready. For Python, we need to have the environment which can run Python, right? So if C means the environment should be able to run the C. So similarly for Python, we need a Python environment which can run Python. Okay. So guys, I will suggest you guys to just go to the drive and just create a folder and create a collab. Okay. So I need you guys to try together with me. Is it okay for you guys? Hello. Yes. Okay. Great. So let's see. So first we're gonna set up this Google Colab. So it's an online platform. which allows us to write and execute the Python code in the browser itself. Okay, so it's a great learning and sharing experience. So whenever you done your code, you can share. So I'm gonna share this code once it is this session is done. Okay, so it is very easier process. You just directly go to the Google Colab, open in the browser, and click on File and New Notebook. Okay, so I need any one of your volunteer to share your screen, and we gonna open the Colab in their system. Okay, yeah, anyone. Anyone who is just using the laptop or computer who have joined, just share your screen. Hello. Hello. Yes, can you able to hear me? Hello. Yes, am I audible to you? Yes, okay. So
Yes, sir.
okay, so any one of you has joined using a laptop?
It says cannot share the screen while
Okay, okay,
someone is sharing already.
okay, okay, wait, I will stop sharing, no problem. Yeah, yeah, guys, go ahead. Guys, I'm gonna be with you. Don't like afraid of the things. Whenever I'm just asking anything, I'm gonna guide you. Okay, yeah, go ahead, guys. Anyone just share your screen. Yeah, now you guys are able to share the screen. Mm, okay, that's great. Okay, okay. So thank you so much for sharing the screen. Just go to the dots we are having. No, just go to the drive. Let's just look into it. So I'm just saying you how to open the collab. Okay, yeah. Go to the drive.
No, where to go?
Yeah, wait a minute. You are having your icon, no? K, your icon.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Below that there is K, right? No, 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 no. You just go back. Wait a minute, go back. So you are having Gmail and then the 9 colons, no? No, 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 no. Yeah. Click somewhere else.
This.
Yeah, yeah. Click on that. Yeah. Click on drive. Yeah. After context you are having. Yeah. Click on it. Great. Great. Okay. So go to my drive. Left side you are having, no? Yeah. Click on it. And wait a minute. Oh yeah. Just click right click and create a folder. No, no, no. Click somewhere else. Yeah. Right click. New folder. Yeah. Yeah. Give some name like Python basics, anything. Just click on create. So go inside that. Go inside that folder. Okay. Right click. Okay. More option. Yeah. That is collab, right?
No.
Okay. Oh, actually it should be collab. So connect with more app. More apps. Go for more apps. Okay. Search for collab. Yeah. Collaboratory. Click on it.
Or
First search.
first one.
First. Yeah. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down a bit. Yes, Abhinay did as did it. Okay. Wait. Scroll up. Scroll up. Okay. So okay. I think okay. Just erase it and put it as Google collab like that. Search for Google collab. Yeah. Google collab. Yeah. Just copy that. Copy the entire search. Yeah, text in the entire search. Just copy that. Yeah. Put it in the normal browser. Yeah. Yeah. Run it. Yeah. Click on the first thing. Welcome to Collab. Okay. Okay. So what you need to do means, so this is a collab. Go to the drive, Google Drive. Yeah. Yeah. Go to the drive and choose the folder that you are having that we have created. No. Yeah.
No, where I can.
Wait. In the search notebook, actually, it is showing the notebooks only. Wait. Yeah. In that, you just type the drive, the folder you have created. No, that folder name you just create.
No, it won't show, sir, or
Okay.
it's not a notebook.
Okay. Do one thing. You just cancel it. Right side, bottom. Yeah. So file. Go to the file. Yeah. Uh, wait. So go for new notebook in drive. First option. Yeah. Okay. That's great. Okay, so now what you need to do means, wait, it will just create the things. Okay, so go to the file. Yeah, here there is a there will be move option. Go to the move.
Move.
Yeah, move. Click on it. Yeah, go back to the the collab notebook. No, there is a back icon. Yeah, click on it. Okay, now go to the folder that you have created. Yeah, click on it. No, you
Select.
have not selected the folder, right?
I have
You
select.
just Okay, you just right click. Go to the right. No, wait. There is an arrow. No. Yeah, click on it. Yeah, select the folder. Now select the folder. Okay. Okay. Right. So now you go for the drive and just look into whether a notebook with untitled zero is created or not. Yeah. Go to the drive.
Let's see.
Yeah. Close it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, guys, can you guys able to understand how we can create it? And do one more thing. Just go to the collab that we have you have created. Collab notebook. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here you just put print within the circle brackets. You just type your name. Okay. Yeah. You just
Yeah.
print. Yeah. In that print. No space. No space. No space. Yeah. Yeah. Within that, uh, quotes, single quotes, your name. Yeah, run it. Yeah, that better. Yeah, great.
I guess we have to activate the kernel. See,
Yeah. So like it is just what it is doing means now it is connecting this notebook with their server. So we are running this notebook to the server. So only drawback is it is online. Only with internet it can be usable. Okay. See, output is ready, right? So that's great. So thank you so much, and it's a great work. Okay, thank you, guys.
thank you.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Just can I have an appreciation for this, uh, Karthik? Karthik,
Sorry, sir.
hello. Can you guys
Hello.
able to hear me?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. So you can stop sharing, guys. Is
Oh,
there any doubts like the setting up collab? Yeah, guys. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So can I have thumbs up from you guys in the chat box if you chat box so that I can know everyone are able to understand this setup because like this is a very minute and a major thing so that you guys can go further. I need every one of your response. I think here there are 16 members. So except me, it should be 15 thumbs up. If no means also no problem. We are here to help you. Okay. Okay. What about others? I have only 5 thumbs up. Okay, okay, okay. So I think we can move further. I think so, right? Okay, that's great. Okay, 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 okay. So I think done. Okay. So this platform that we are using, no, collab, it has lots of advantages. When you are going for deep learning, we can able to understand, because like we need a GPU kind of thing. So that's a major reason we are using collab. Okay, so once we go for a machine learning and then deep learning and generative AI, you guys are gonna see the impact of this collab. Okay, so for this entire course, I'm gonna use this kind of notebooks only, so that it can be understandable for you and very easier for you to explain the things. So yeah, so wait, I will share my screen. Okay, share screen. Let me know if my screen is visible. Okay, okay. So guys, can you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So till this, your friend has done. He has set up and he has just printed his name and it is printing properly. Okay. Now, in order to verify whether Python is installed or not, this is a command we need to use. Okay. So Python, Python and then / version. I think you guys know. Whenever there is a Linux command, we need to try any kind of package, whether it is installed or not, using the version command. So this apostrophe, no, we are having, right? This apostrophe we are having, no, it will treat this cell as a terminal. So that's the reason we are using it, and it is just printing the Python version. See, 3.10.12, this is a version that is running on the server. Okay, so then I'm just printing a simple print statement, welcome to Python programming. Okay, this is how we can just verify whether the Python is installed or not. Okay guys, is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I think you guys have know about some other IDs. So while Google Colab is useful, we can install the Python in local environment. As I am saying, so this is online. So when we do not have internet, it will not work. So that's the reason you can use Python in the offline version by using the website. By going to the website, Python website, you can just search in the internet, and then you can install any IDEs that you want. Like it can run on VS Code, PyCharm, like those things. And you can have you guys heard about Anaconda? It's a Python library where it contains different kinds of IDE down to run the Python. Have you guys know about Anaconda?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so because like it has different IDEs where you can use anything. There will be Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Labs, Spider, like those things. Okay, but for my suggestion, maximum use this collab. So it will have a great way. I think once you guys go for a machine learning and deep learning, you can understand what usage it is. Because like, can you guys be able to see here? There is a share icon. Once you have done with this, you can just share the notebook so that others can also know what you have done. So it has greater advantage. So from my point of view, you guys can use collab directly. Okay, but try to use this local libraries also, and local IDs also, and let me know if you guys are feeling any difficulties, okay, in setting up. Okay, so I will just show wait a minute, I will just show how to install Python in local also. Okay, can you guys able to see that screen? I think I need to share it again. Wait a minute. Yeah, just can you able to see the scene? So this is how you can properly install Python. Like not properly install, for a local library, you can go here, you can just click on the download Python and you can install it for any version. Like for Windows, Linux, Mac, and other, you can just use it. So but my preference is collab. Okay, so this is how you can locally install the Python. So I will just show an account also. Okay, for Python. Yeah. So wait a minute, share screen for you. So this is what Anaconda, where we will be having different IDEs to run the Python. It will support for C, C++, R programming also, but this is most commonly used for Python. Okay, so it also comes with some inbuilt libraries like NumPy, Pandas, like those things, for the local environments. Okay, so you can do different kinds of thing by using this Anaconda. So this is also a good library. Okay, like good ID. So yeah, I will share the collab notebook with you. So I think that's the complete. So we have now know about how to install Python and start to work on it. Okay. So is there any doubts till the stage, in installation of Python, or how to use the Python, like those things, or what are the IDEs that are available to use the Python? Okay. So is there any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, that's great. So moving forward, we will be going for basics of Python, which will be useful for us to do AI kind of things. Okay. So as you guys have mentioned, so this Python is an interpreter programming language, a 9 level, and it is very easier and perfect for the beginners. Okay. So first thing that we're gonna see is data types. Okay. For any language, first thing that you guys need to know is the what are the data types the programming language can support. Okay. So here you guys see these are the data types. Age equal to 22, where sorry 21, where 21 is the integer value, right? So these are the, and name within the strings we are giving John Doe. So this is a name. It is within the quotes it is considered as a string, and height is 5.9. So there is a point value, so it is a float. And is student is equal to true, true or false, it is boolean. So these are the basic data types that we are having. I think you guys already know. So these data types are already available for C, C++, Java, like those things. Similarly, Python has these things. So these are like this kind of variables which will be helpful for us in order to do task like storing and then retrieving. So that's the major reason we are having a variable. Okay. Okay, someone is asking duration of session. It is 1 hour. So today we will complete Python and we will just wind up the session. Okay. Is the session is boring?
No, sir.
Okay. Actually, he's asking for when the session is gonna end. So I'm just thinking.
No, sir. It's kind of a revision actually.
Okay. So yeah, so these are the different kinds of data types, the basic data types that we are having. Okay, and in Python there is a complex data types also. Okay, it is a very what to say, it is very important thing. This is what varies from other languages. Python has 4 different complex data types. Like we are having list, tuples, dictionary, and then we are having one more thing that is called as a set. Okay, these are the things that we're gonna learn. So these are very much important while you are storing the data. In Python, most commonly we will use any one of these 4 data types to store the data, not like a normal kind of storing, like a single value. We will be storing the multiple values and we'll merge it together, and we will be having this complex data types. Okay. So first we are having list. So what is list? List is the ordered collection of items that can have different data types. Okay, it will be having a list will have a set of values which can be of different data types. And list are mutable. Mutable means we can insert, delete everything. Okay, and content in the list can be changeable, and we can create also. Okay, so this is a simple example. We are having a fruits. Okay, this is how you can create a list. So within the square brackets, you need to give the values. That's what how the list is created. And I'm gonna print the original list. Here you can see this is what the original list that we are having, right? Then, so in order to access or modify, like wait a minute, we are gonna access a element. So now to access the element, we need to have a variable and the position. Guys, tell me, like in programming language, how the positioning starts, how the accessing starts, like from 1 or from 0?
0.
Okay, so then apple is from 0. This is 1 and this is 2. So when I am mentioning this variable fruits and 0, it is gonna give us the first element. Okay, this apple is written. Now I'm gonna modify an element, like I need to modify this banana with blueberry. So what I'm going to do means fruits of 0. So fruits of 0 means, sorry, fruits of 1. This is 1, right? So fruits of banana is going to change it as blueberry. So now the modified list is we are having apple, here also apple. But banana, which is converted to or modified as blueberry. And cherry is remains as cherry. Okay. So finally, we're going to add an element which is fruits dot append. So append, what it will do, it will add an element at the end. So I'm just adding the date. Okay, so we are having apple, blueberry, cherry, and then finally we are having the date. So this is how a list works: how to create a list, how to access a list, how to modify the list, and finally how to add some elements to the list. Okay, so this is how list works. Okay, guys, any doubts in list? Okay, so if no answers means I think no doubts. Okay, okay. Now we're going for tuple. So tuple is similar to list, but they are immutable. Guys, say what is immutable, because I have explained what is mutable. Say me what is immutable.
Cannot be changed.
Yeah, once it is created, we will be not able to change the value. Okay, so like list is created by like square brackets, no, whereas tuple, which is created by the circle bracket. Okay, so within circle brackets we are giving 10 and 20. Okay, now it is gonna show the tuple. You can see 10 and 20, and in order to access the tuple, similar thing, coordinates. So this is coordinates, no, the variable, and 0 it will return the 10. That is we are having. Now let's see, I'm gonna attempt it to modify the 0th value, that is this 10, as 15. Let's see, I'm saying that it will not work. I will just uncomment this. Okay, and it's gonna throw an error because they are immutable, right? See, tuple object does not support item assignment. That is, it is not support insertion of new items once it is declared. Okay, I will just uncomment and run it. Guys, any doubts in tuples?
No, sir.
Great. So now we're going for set, and let me know, guys, is if I am going any much speeder, so that I can stop and then I will go in a slower manner. If I'm going slow, you guys can tell me that I need to go fast. Okay, so yeah, so I will go with sets. Okay, so what is a set? Set is the unordered collection of unique items. So set are mutable, so we can add or remove those things. So, and you should not have any duplicates, right? I'm just declaring a set. See, within a flower brackets, I'm gonna give 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'm gonna print this set. What it will return? I'm saying it is a unique value and it is also unordered. So I'm just giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then 5. Now, what are the values present in the set? Okay, I will explain. Wait. So it is, the set will contain only unique values. Okay, you just keep this point. Now you guys tell me what will be the result. It won't allow duplicate values. Okay, great. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the answer, because 4 is repeated twice, no? So that's the reason it will not return 4 twice. That will be only 1 4. So the result is 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Okay, now in order to add an element, we need to go for the set name, add dot add, and then 6. Now we're gonna add it to the last value. Like you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the original set, and we're gonna add it to 6. Okay, now this is how we can add. So in order to remove, we just directly call what element you need to remove. Numbers dot remove 3. So in order to remove 3, we just need to give numbers dot remove 3, the variable name dot remove 3. Okay, so set after removing an element, you can see 1 2 4 5 6, there is no 3. Okay, so is there any doubts related to set? Okay, hope you guys know. Okay, now this data type is, it is like quite complicated, but like this is a very easier data type and we need to use this in many manner. So please have a great understanding of this whenever you go for storing some kind of things, like whenever you go for storing the model keys, when that's a reason, that's a scenario, you need to go for this dictionary. Okay, so dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pair where they are mutable. We can go for insertion, deletion, like those things, and key must be unique. As we are mentioning, the set contain only unique values. Here, the keys should be unique. You should not contain two different keys of same value. Okay, and they are used for storing data that are associated with unique keys. Okay, so this is how you can declare a list. It should be also flower bracket, but you should have a key value pair. Here you can see name is a key, and the value Alice is the value, age is the key, 25 is the value, major is the key, computer science is the value. So this is how I can declare a dictionary. Now I'm going to print the original dictionary, it's going to return this everything. So in order to access a value, what you need to do means go for the variable, and if you need the name, you need to specify the name within the square brackets. You can see I'm gonna have the variable name student, within that I'm gonna give name, so it will return the name of the student. Alice will be written, you guys see Alice is written. Then how to modify the value? Similarly, I'm gonna have the variable, and then within that I need to give what key you need to wear, what keys value you need to change. Age I need to change to 26, so 25 to 26 is gonna change. And now we're gonna see the modified dictionary. See, we are having the age of 26, earlier it is 25. Okay, so finally I'm gonna see how to add a new key value pair. Gonna give the variable name of dictionary, then we need to have a key which is unique. Grade is not there, so I'm going to give grade which is equal to A. Now the new added key value pair, you guys see we are having a name Alice, age 26, we have already modified, no? Then we are having major computer science, finally we are having the grade as A. So this is how the dictionary works. Okay, so actually we have completed the data types. Guys, is there any doubts related to data types? Anything like a basic data types or also the complex data types? Any doubts?
So
Okay, no. Okay, okay. Now, can we move further? Like we're gonna see basic operation. That's it. So some more things. I think 2 to 3 things, so that we can see. Yeah. So now we're going to see basic operations. So like as mentioned in other programming language, we can do some basic operation like mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions. So addition, you need to use add symbol. I think you guys know. Subtraction minus, and then multiplication like star, and for division you need to use a slash. Okay, so I'm just assigning a two values like a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5, and these are the values. So I'm just storing each and every values in a variable. So sum result, difference result, product, and quotient results. Okay, so you guys see, so when I'm adding 10 plus pi 15, and when I'm subtracting it is 5, when I'm multiplying it is 50, and when I'm dividing it is 2.5. Okay, so these are the basic operation that we can do. I think you guys doesn't have any like trouble with this because you guys already know about it. Okay? Yeah, now we will go for control flow. Okay, um, how many of you know that Python very sensitive to indentation? So before going for that, what is meant by indentation? I need you guys to be well versed. What is indentation?
Gap space.
Yeah, spaces. Okay, just see this. I think you guys already know about if. Okay, I doesn't need to. I think you guys already know about what is if else. Okay, if this condition works, you need to just go for it, or otherwise you need to go for else. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna tell you what is indentation. Okay, just see here. If A is greater than B, okay, this is how you need to give the condition, and then you need to terminate this statement with colon. Okay, when I press enter, just see here what happens. It just move a tab, that is, it gives indentation. What it means the statement that I'm going to give here is belongs to if statement. Okay, if I doesn't put this, it will not treat it as the statement belongs to if, so it should be indented properly. Okay, can you guys able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So can I know, in other languages like C, C++, Java, what are the things that is used for indentation instead of like this?
Sir, for loops.
Curly braces.
Great. We will be using like this, right? Wait. I will just show it. Oh my god. Wait a minute. Right? Oh my god. It is going to throw error. Right? This is how you are just doing in some other languages like C, C++, Java, like those things, right? We will be having a flower brackets which will be considered as the entire thing will be belongs to the if statement, right? So here it is not a case. So Python is very sensitive to indentation. Okay. So now we go for the first thing, the conditional statements. Okay. So Python uses if-else statement to control the flow of program based on the condition. Okay. So I'm just setting a variable temperature is equal to 30. Now I'm gonna say if temperature is greater than 25, I need to print it is a hot day. Otherwise, I need to print it is a cool day. Okay. Since it is 30, it is greater than 25, and it is printing as it is a hot day. Okay. So this is how a simple if-else statement works. Now, loop. Okay. So what is a loop? Loop, what it will do means it will repeat the statement until a specific condition is achieved. Okay. So we are having for loop. So for I in range of 5, it is gonna print everything. So what this range function of 5 will do means, I will just print for you guys. Okay. What it will do, 0 to 5. Okay. That is, it has a value of 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It will not have a value of 5. So in Python, whenever you declare the end value, it consider the before value. That is, you just see 0 to 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Because here we are having 5 elements, right? 0 to 5 means 0 to 4 because we are having 5 elements. That's the reason. Okay. So I will just delete it. So can you guys able to understand this flow? Because like for I in range of 5, so it is gonna iterate through each and every values. So we are having this. Okay. Then the next thing is while loop. Okay. I'm just specifying a value count equal to 0. While count is less than 5, I need to print the count together with count plus equal to 1. So first it will go inside. First is 0, which is less than 5. Yes, it will print it and it will increase the count. Now 1. Then 2, 3, like that it will go on to 4. When it becomes 5, 5 is less than 5, it will be no. So this entire loop will be terminated. So this is how the for and while loops are used to execute the statement in a repeated manner. Okay. So this is what the basics of Python that I am having. Okay. So is there any doubts related to this if else statement, for loop, and this while?
No, sir.
Okay. So yeah, I think that's complete the basics of Python that you guys need for doing the AML kind of things. Okay. So okay. So, is there any doubts till this? Because, like, I think tomorrow we're gonna have a class at same time, so we will discuss about SQL in that class. I think SQL will be also very simple. Okay. So, okay. So, is there any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Then I will do one thing. Okay. I'm gonna give you guys an assignment. Okay. A simple assignment. So, can you guys create a inventory management system by using Python? What happened? Guys, can you able to hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, anyone tell me what is inventory management system?
Product management,
Sorry.
store product management, or
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Anyone else? Like, I need what is inventory management system so that when I can give this assignment to you guys. Guys, what is inventory management system?
in inventory management system, we can check a stock of our products,
Okay.
list of stocks.
Okay. So that's the thing. So how many?
Mostly businesses use these big businesses to track and store all their all the tasks and try to they also use it to automate their tasks and make you know big decisions automatically.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. So that's the thing I'm just asking you guys to do because like I have done everything. So we you guys know about the basics of thing. So I will just create a two records and I will just show what you guys need to do. Okay. Is it okay or you guys just do by yourself or I need to give a gist of how to do? Hello. Guys, can you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Okay. I will just explain how you guys need to do. Do need for help, sir. No need for help. Okay. Abhinay is saying okay. Okay. So I will just give the gist. Okay. So first, I'm gonna create something called as product. Okay. So I'm gonna create product. So let us consider. We're gonna have an ID of one. Okay. Then I'm gonna give like how we can create a like a product stored in a dictionary. How we can do that? You guys tell me.
Product ID, product name,
Okay.
product value,
Okay.
price.
Okay. So how we can do that? So I will be having a dictionary. Okay. Within that, it is a key, right? One is a key. Within that, what we can do means we can go for product dictionary in dictionary. That's great. Product name. So just say me what is the product name you need. Can we go for 5 star? Okay. Then we need to mention the quantity. Okay. Let us say it is 10 quantity. Then we're gonna have cost of it. How much it is? It is 5. Okay. Let us see. I will add one more item. Okay. So product id 2. Then any other product? Guys, any other product name? Hello. So we will go for diamond. Okay. So this is the next product name, and the quantity is 10, and then the cost is also 5. Okay. So now I have created a dictionary, right? I have created a product dictionary. So we will just put it here. Okay. So this is what a dictionary that we are having. Okay. This is a database that we are having. Now a user comes and he say that he needs a 5 star. Okay. What we need to do now? And we need to update that. So I will say a person comes. So we can say a person buys a 5 star. 5 star. Okay. Now you guys need to update this dictionary. How you guys can do? What do you guys need to do? Guys, tell me. Hello. Updating dictionary. You will say database. Okay. Before that, a person buys a 5 star. We need to give. Yeah. So we need to do those things. So let me put it in simple manner only. So we are just creating. Wait a minute. I will just comment everything. So creating database. So this is we have created a database. Now, this is what the question we are having. Okay. This is what the question we are having, and then now, you guys need to print bill. Okay. So now you guys need to go for billing. So how you guys can print a bill? This guy need a 5 star. What is the price of 5 star? And yeah, 5 star, that is only one quantity. Okay. How you guys can do? I'm having a dictionary where the key of 5 star is 1, right? Okay. Now, okay, I will do this thing. Okay. Want to buy 2 5 stars. Okay. A person comes and a person buys 2 5 stars. I'm gonna generate the bill. Okay. So the product ID is 1, and the quantity is buying is 2, and what is the cost? 5. So how we can generate the bill? So I'm going for cost, and then it is gonna print as 5. Now he buys 2 5 star, right? I'm gonna give 2. So now it will print 10. So that is what the cost. Okay. Now I need to update the db. How I can do that? So in the product, you guys can see, so 2 quantity of 5 star is bought. So I need to change this to 8. What I need to do? I need to go for key, right? Then within key, the next key is quantity, right? And it should be -2. This is what the quantity they have bought. So I'm gonna replace this. So we are having the product 1, that is 5 star, and the quantity of 10. I'm gonna -2, and it is gonna stored in the product 1 quantity, the same dictionary value we are having. So I'm gonna run this. Now you guys see what is a product. Okay. So now we are having the quantity of 8. So guys, is it okay? This flow is okay? So you guys need to create a database, and you guys need to have a question. What is gonna the person is gonna buy, and you need to create a bill. For 2 5 stars is it 10 rupees? Then you need to update the db. Okay. So you can see earlier we are having 10 quantities. Now you are having only 8 quantities, right? Guys, is the flow is okay? Can you guys, now you guys can do?
Yes,
Hello. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So that's it from my side. Is there any doubts? No. Okay. So I hope that you guys do this inventory management system today. And one more thing, I have just given a skeleton of it. You guys need to just create a inventory management kind of thing, because like I have given a skeleton. You guys doesn't need to manually do these things. You guys need to automate these things by using a loop, if conditions, like those things. Okay. So yeah, guys, any doubts related to this? Can you guys complete the assignment tomorrow? Let's have a discussion in that case also. So tomorrow we will have a discussion. Okay. So yeah. So give me a minute, okay. In the meantime, like guys, just have some questions. Like if you guys feel any difficulty in the today's session or the assignment related notes, let's have a thing. So give me a minute, okay. I will come back. Yeah, hello guys, I'm back. So any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, no, okay, that's great. So hope you guys understand everything. Okay, so let's see tomorrow. Okay, I think we guys gonna learn about SQL, and I need you guys to attend this assignment. Okay, I need you guys to be ready with this inventory management system. So create some other things related to this and try to automate the things, and we will have a doubt clearing session also tomorrow. So yeah, that's it from my side. So anything else, guys? Like someone has pinged me in WhatsApp related to some kind of internship that he is getting. So let me discuss with you today. Okay, just ping me. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's it from my side. So anything else that you guys need to discuss? So today we have completed the basics of Python. So we will be moving on to basics of SQL tomorrow. So yeah, guys. So if nothing is there, we can drop off. No problem. Yeah. So thank you, guys. Thank you for everyone's cooperation.
Thank you, sir.
So yeah. So
sir.
I need more number of people to speak up in the tomorrow session. So I think somewhat this session is very easier for you guys. I think you are all of you already know about Python. So I need more interaction from to the next session. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. We will meet tomorrow. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.